Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Sounds and Vibration. Then once you find it, tap on it, and here we have media volume and ring volume. Let's tap on media volume first, and we can adjust the volume of the media on our watch by swiping up and down on the slider. We can't hear it right now because I believe the silent mode is enabled, so I'm gonna disable it. Oh no, never mind, there's no notifications for it for some reason. But basically we can adjust the volume right here by swiping up and down on the slider. Then we can tap on ring volume, do the same. Oh, there is a sound for ring volume. And also the AI voice volume for the AI assistant. And once you're done adjusting the volumes, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.